Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss keywords used in C language. Keywords are nothing but predefined words with special meaning and that is recognized by the C compiler easily. These keywords are otherwise called reserved words. The keywords used in C language we cannot use for naming variables or functions. In C language, there are totally 32 keywords. Next, rules to use keywords in C language. The keywords, if you are considering, it cannot be used for naming variable names, constant names, etc. Also, the keywords cannot be used for naming functions, arrays, etc. And keywords are case sensitive. That is, the keywords in C language, the programmer should write only in lowercase letters. The meaning of the keyword is already predefined and it's not a special meaning that is easily recognized by the C compiler. So, the meaning of keywords cannot be changed by the user. So, these are all the rules to use keywords in C language. And next, if you are considering, there are 32 keywords in C language. So, this is the list of 32 keywords. And if you are considering the first list, these are all the keywords used related to declaration of data types. Int, short, long, signed, unsigned, float, double, char, etc. This int is used to declare integer data type and float is used to declare the floating point data type. Even double is also used to declare the floating point data type only. But this float is used to declare single precision floating point values and double is used to declare double precision floating point values. Next, char is used to declare character data type as well as the string data type. The short and long is used to declare the length of the integer and floating point data types. And the signed is a keyword used along with the data types to represent positive value, zero value as well as the negative value. And unsigned is a keyword used along with these data types to represent zero value and positive value only. So these are all the keywords related to data types. And next is a list of keywords used along with the conditional statements. If and else is used in if conditional statement. And next is switch, case, break and default. So these four keywords is used along with the switch case conditional statement. And next, if you are considering, this is a list of keywords used along with the looping statements. So for is used in for loop, while is used in while loop, and do as well as while. Both the keywords will be used in do while loop. And goto is used to transfer control to the specified label. And continue, if you are considering, it is used inside the loop to skip the statements after this keyword. And the next three keywords is related to memory. Const is used to declare the constants. So the value once declared with constant means the value cannot be changed. Next is a volatile. And volatile is a qualifier applied to the variables during declaration. So the variable value may change at any time. And sizeof is used to calculate the size of the data type and it is a built-in function. And the next four keywords are related to user-defined data types. Struct is used in structures to group list of variables under one name. And union is a special data type that stores different data type variables in same memory location. So here memory is used efficiently. And typedef is a data type to create a symbolic name for existing names. So for enumeration data type, we will use the keyword enum. So it is a user-defined data type to assign names to integral constants. And the next list, if you are considering, these are all the data types used with storage classes. So here auto is a default storage class for all variables declared inside functions as well as blocks. And static is a keyword used to declare static variables and static function. So if you have declared a variable with a static keyword means it is like a global variable. That is, the visibility of the variable is for the complete program. And the register keyword is used to store the variables that are accessed frequently. And next, externs the visibility of function or variables. And the next two keywords is related to functions, both for the main function as well as the user-defined function. So void is used along with the function definition as well as for the main function. So it represents nothing. That is, the function does not carry any specific data type. And the return is used as a last statement in function to return a value to the called function. If at all we are not returning anything to the called function, simply we have to specify return as the last statement in any functions, even for the main function as well as the user-defined function. So these are all the list of 32 keywords that is used in C language during programming. And this keywords will have a predefined meaning, and its meaning cannot be changed, but it is easily recognized by the C compiler. So next, if we are considering, this is a hello world program. In this program, if we are considering, we have used two keywords. One is void and another one is return. So for every function, so whether it is a main function or a user-defined function, we have to use the data type initially along with the function name. Any data type we can use, that is integer, float, char, double, etc. This void represents nothing. That is, the function is not carrying any specific data type values. And return, if we are considering, this is represented as the last statement in any function. And this represents the control will be transferred from this corresponding function to the main function or the called function. Next, if you are considering, this is a program to print the greatest of two numbers. In this example program, if you are considering, the keywords are void, int, if is a keyword, again else is a keyword, return is a keyword. This void is a keyword used along with the function definition to represent its return data type. Int is a keyword used to declare integer variables. So here a and b are nothing but integer variables. So in C language, if you are using any variable, the variable should be declared before it is used. If is a keyword used for conditional statement. Here it will check whether a value is greater than b. If this condition is true, means it will print this statement. Suppose if this condition fails, means it will go to else part. So here we are using a keyword else. So if a is not greater value than b, means it will go to else part and it will print b is greater. So here we will use the keyword else. And return is a keyword to transfer the control to the called function. So here if you are considering, the main function is not going to return any value to any other function. So here we have represented return of 0 or simply return. So these are all the keywords used in this example program to find the greatest of two numbers. So in this session, we have discussed the concept of keywords and the purpose of 32 keywords in C language. In the next session, we will discuss the concept of identifiers. Thank you for watching this video.